Morning, it's Michael from Reclaim Design. Today I'm going to be turning this MDF into a shoe rack and this display cabinet for the customer's kitchen. This is where the magic begins on my computer with SketchUp. Great little free program from Google, I think. So I put together a little 3D diagram in there. It gives me all the measurements for my project. So I've got a good idea of what to order from the lumberyard. Then I come back and I've got a printout I can use in the shed or the Armazon workspace, whatever you want to call it, that I can reference when I'm doing all the cuts with my track saw. I actually lied. The magic doesn't start on the computer. The magic starts with this. So it looks like someone had a bit of a dance party on the MDF. There's footprints everywhere, but nothing a bit of sandpaper won't sort out. Day 2. Done all the cutting, made a couple of the bases, or 3 of the bases actually, and I have my elixir of life with me. I totally need it this morning. I have a bit of a head cold, so probably not the best thing to drink, but it's gonna help. So yeah, and actually while we're here, why don't we take a look outside, have a look at the scenery. Yeah, here we go, Perrolate, beautiful. So now I'm going to whack in some holes in here to take the aluminium tubes for the shoe rack, and for that the best way I find is to use the router because it's dead straight. It's like a mini drill press, and I swapped out the standard base for my own homemade rubber footed one so it doesn't move around when I plunge in, and it has these little lines I can line up my cross marks so I'm certain to be on the right spot every time. these pipes are going to go in here. Look at that. Perfect.
Yes, man, it's the big bad lion Shumba, better known as Tiba, the social worker, aka job business. Listen, yeah, I just a one I can't beef to all the man them who know fi hard and stiff. The best will live on them like a high grade spliff. Bun on the edge of a cliff, on the better quickly than if. I just a one I can't beef to all the man them who know fi hard and stiff. The best will live on them like a high grade spliff. Bun on the edge of a cliff, on the better quickly than if. Increase the PS, take better than PS. For the cool grace, ionize, spliff blaze. Increase the PS, take better than PS. To the government flash, them down my dream. We need to take we land back and rasta man real. Revolution have it great and stop the complaint. We have no leaders, Marcus Coffee come again. The school uniform is full of blood stain. But stop fighting like Abel and Cain. Don't nigga in our rain, we not pop no champagne. Blacker than cat, them whiter than cocaine. Alright, my selector, I pick up my Rasta man inside the east eye. Big up indigenous. Repeat it again. Mash up on no tea, do it a little piece of tool. I never take a stroll, boy, don't get on me hood. Boy, I feel respect to the max that you should. Gonna let time disappear before me.
Delivery day. Off we go.